Finally, for the recovery phase, as you can see on the left, the perfect technical model shows that once the ball has been released from the hands, your non-shooting hand will be to the side where the ball was being held, and the wrist should be flicked down, which shows that you've given it the perfect propel towards the net. Your legs should still be far apart, and if you did jump to shoot the ball, you'll land in a similar stance with knees bent. Our shooter didn't raise his feet, however, he returns to a stationary position, keeps eyes up onto the net until the ball goes in, and the wrist will relax and the arms can return to stationary position. As you can see here, this is a demonstration of the perfect technical model, full on go through of the shooting technique compared to our performer, and you can just see how they compare through this picture. And I think the main improvement that our performer should take from this is that the knees should be bent more, because it will just give so much more push for the ball. Technique can be defined in general terms as the way of doing movements. Technical analysis is usually performed in relation to individual sports events or a number of specific aspects which together shape the performance of an athlete. They are commonly two-staged, used by coaches when analysing a performer's technique. Stage 1 is through observation. The coach can aim to identify and diagnose faults within the athlete's performance, and the second stage is for the observation and identification process. In stage 1 of coach develops strategies and training techniques with the purpose of remodeling performance to eradicate faults. Feedback is a vital component within this process. Without effective feedback, the athlete will find it difficult to improve performance. However, it's important that coaches are aware that athletes can have different techniques which sometimes work better for them than the typical perfect technical model. If a technique is working really well for someone, then it shouldn't be changed, or the person shouldn't have to adapt it to the ideal way of doing it. The way that we could analyse our performer was taking videos and then slowing it down and taking screenshots of the different stages of performance, and this way we can see the whole body movement in the process of the ball being shot. So this is a very good technique of analysing how a skill is done.